Hi, I hope you've had a very nice Christmas if you're celebrating it. If you didn't, I hope you just had a beautiful week. Today is Friday, it's the 27th, and I would like to remind you, or maybe you haven't heard about it yet, on this Sunday, the 29th, I'm organizing a special workshop for the closure of 2024 and the opening of 2025. I've organized this many years, and this year is slightly different. It's a different approach, but also we're in a completely different period, a different cycle for this planet, for humanity as a whole. And you may have noticed that a lot is happening, a lot of good things, a lot of, let's say, not so nice things, a lot of challenges, a lot of change. And change doesn't always go so smoothly, depending on how we approach it. So this workshop is going to be focused on closing and leaving behind what we need to leave behind, taking with us just the life lessons and the wisdom of the past year, and then moving into a new year with new possibilities, new opportunities. A year, according to Numerology, a year, according to numerology, is a year of closure, which means we're going to have a lot of things that come to an end in this year, which is not per se bad. Actually, I would say it's good. There's a lot of corruption coming to the surface. It means systems are collapsing, bad systems, unhealthy systems. Maybe they've worked in the past, but they do not work anymore. It means closure for ourselves in our own lives. We can close some chapters. We can close some cycles. Closure can also be that we have been learning for 8 years different things, and now they all come together and it looks like a closure year. I experienced that, for example, in work back in 2008, 2009. That it was not just a closure for the 8 years before, but for my whole period of school and work. Basically everything I had learned over the years back then, I had to use and apply in the job I had. And not just a job, but actually it was a whole period of 12 to 14 months where everything came together and I had to utilize everything I had learned, even those things I really thought were totally useless. So I'm telling you this because we do not know exactly what will happen in 2025, but I can tell you closure is one of them, and closure on many levels: personal, collective, global, social, political, maybe in your love life, maybe with friends, maybe people leaving your life, whether it's through life itself ending or taking a new path, you taking a new path or them taking a new path. Yes, maybe you are closing a chapter and taking a new path to go somewhere else, just like I did 9 years ago. So, if this sounds intriguing to you, then click the link, join the workshop, and prepare yourself for this beautiful new opportunity that's ahead of us, ahead of you. Why not make 2025 a wonderful year for you?